Siblings be like. That's definitely gonna hurt.
I can't hold you anymore.
See guys, I told you guys. Siblings be like. Level 2. Stop! Guys! I told you to stop! I'm gonna tell it to mommy.
I don't care. You could fight me again. And level up from the start. Boosh.
Definitely, there's nothing gonna happen because they are so naughty.
I know, my daughter.
Naughty.